Hello, everyone, and welcome back to ESL Easy English, the channel where learning English is simple, relaxed, and connected to real life. I'm James, your host, and today I'm very happy because I'm not alone.
Hello, James. Hello, everyone.
It's really nice to have you here, Alison.
It's great to be back. I always enjoy these conversations.
Me too. They feel very natural, like a real chat between two people.
And that's exactly what English learners need.
Yes, real conversations, not perfect English.
With pauses, repetition, and small mistakes sometimes.
Exactly, because that's how people really speak.
So, what are we talking about today, James?
Today's topic is something everyone can talk about:
Daily life.
daily routines.
The things we do every day without really thinking about them.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Some people think routines are boring,
Yes, the word routine sounds boring.
but our lives aren't boring.
Not at all. Everyone's routine is different
And that's what makes this topic interesting,
and very useful for learning English.
because you can use simple words,
Simple verbs.
but very important ones.
So let's start at the beginning of the day.
The morning.
Now, Allison, important question.
Okay?
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am.
I knew it.
I really like mornings.
I really don't.
Why not?
When my alarm clock rings, I feel confused and unhappy.
That sounds familiar to many people.
I hear the alarm and think, already?
Do you get up straight away?
No, never.
You press the snooze button.
Yes. 5 more minutes.
Is it really 5 minutes?
Sometimes it's 5 minutes. Many times,
So when do you actually get out of bed?
when I really have to.
That sounds stressful.
It is. What about you?
I wake up early,
How early?
often before the sun comes up.
That still sounds impossible to me.
I like the quiet.
The world is still sleeping.
Exactly. No noise, no messages, no rush.
Okay, that does sound nice.
The first thing I do is make coffee.
Coffee is very important in daily life.
Very important.
For English learners, this sentence is useful. The first thing I do is.
Yes. The first thing I do is make coffee.
For me, the first thing I do is think, I need coffee.
That also counts.
Do you look at your phone in the morning?
Not immediately.
That's very healthy.
I sit by the window and drink my coffee slowly.
Very calm.
I think about the day.
I usually look at my phone,
Emails,
emails, messages, news.
that can be stressful.
Yes. Instant stress.
Okay, let's move on to breakfast.
Breakfast time.
Are you a big breakfast person?
Not really,
Why not?
because I'm usually late.
Of course.
I eat something quick.
Like what?
Toast with butter or a banana.
Very simple.
What about you?
I like a proper breakfast.
What does that mean for you?
Yogurt with fruit or eggs.
Eggs appear a lot in daily life.
They're easy and filling.
That's true.
After breakfast, we get ready for the day.
Yes. Shower time.
Hot shower or cold shower?
Hot. Always hot?
Same here.
A hot shower helps you wake up.
Then comes the difficult part.
Choosing clothes?
Yes. I have nothing to wear.
Even when you have many clothes
That sentence is very common.
in every language.
Do you plan your clothes?
No,
Not at all?
I keep it simple.
How?
Similar colors, similar styles,
That's clever.
less thinking in the morning.
Okay, now it's time to leave the house.
Yes, time to go to work.
How do you usually go to work?
I take public transport.
The bus?
Mostly the bus.
Is it crowded?
Very crowded.
That's a good word for learners. Crowded.
Many people, very little space.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music or podcasts.
English podcasts?
Sometimes, yes.
That's good practice.
What about you?
I drive to work. Not great.
Traffic is never great.
I listen to music in the car.
That helps you relax.
Yes.
Okay, now we arrive at work.
Workday starts.
What's the first thing you do at work?
I turn on my computer.
Then emails,
So many emails.
reading emails,
Writing emails.
meetings,
Yes, meetings.
meetings about meetings.
Very realistic.
This vocabulary is very useful for English learners.
Yes. Words like meeting, deadline, report,
And then something wonderful happens.
lunchtime.
Everyone's favorite part of the workday.
Do you bring lunch or buy lunch?
I usually buy lunch,
What do you buy?
a sandwich or something quick.
Do you eat at your desk?
Sometimes.
I like to go outside.
Fresh air is important.
Yes, it helps you reset.
Then comes the afternoon,
The sleepy part of the day.
around 3 p.m.
Exactly.
Your energy disappears.
What do you do then?
Coffee,
Of course.
or I take a short walk.
That helps clear your head.
And then, finally,
The workday ends.
5 o'clock, the best feeling.
Yes, 5 o'clock. That moment when work finally finishes.
The best sound of the day,
The end of emails.
the end of meetings.
The end of pretending to be very serious.
Exactly. And so, work is finished. What happens next?
Going home.
Yes, how do you go home?
I drive home.
And the traffic is still bad?
Yes. Sometimes even worse than in the morning.
That's very common.
I try to stay calm.
How?
I listen to music or a podcast.
That helps a lot.
What about you?
I take the bus again.
Still crowded?
Very crowded.
By this time, everyone looks tired.
Yes, no one wants to talk.
Everyone just wants to go home.
Exactly.
Okay, you arrive home. What's the first thing you do?
I open the door and breathe out.
Like this?
Yes, work is finished.
That feeling is very nice.
Then I put down my keys.
Important step.
Very important. If I don't do that, I lose them.
That happens to many people.
Then I change my clothes.
Comfortable clothes.
Yes, work clothes off. Comfort clothes on.
This is an important daily routine.
It helps your body relax.
And your mind too. What do you do when you get home? I also change my clothes.
Of course.
Then I usually take a short break.
What kind of break?
I sit down, maybe have a cup of tea.
Tea time.
Yes. Something warm and calming.
That sounds nice.
Then it's time to think about dinner.
Ah, dinner.
Do you like cooking?
I like eating.
That's honest.
Cooking is difficult for me.
Why?
I burn things.
Often?
More often than I'd like to admit.
What do you usually cook?
Very simple food.
Like pasta?
Yes. Pasta with sauce.
Easy and reliable.
Or eggs.
Eggs are back again.
Eggs are my safety food.
What about ordering food?
Yes, sometimes.
That's very normal.
Pizza is always a good choice.
Pizza makes many people happy.
What about you? Do you like cooking?
I do.
What do you like to cook?
Simple meals. Soup, pasta, vegetables.
Do you find cooking relaxing?
Yes, I like cutting vegetables and listening to music.
That sounds very calm.
Cooking helps me relax after work.
After dinner, what do you usually do?
I clean this kitchen.
Good habit.
I like a clean space.
Me too, but sometimes I clean later.
Later often means tomorrow.
Yes, that's very true.
After that, I relax.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or read a book.
What kind of TV shows do you like?
Something light and funny.
Comedy.
Yes. I don't want to think too much.
Same here.
What about you?
I usually sit on the sofa.
The sofa is important.
Very important. It's the best place in the house.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, or I watch something online.
Videos? Series?
Exactly.
Some people also like to go for a walk in the evening,
Yes, that's true.
especially if they have a dog.
Dogs need walks.
Yes. A short walk in the evening is very nice.
It helps you relax and think.
And it's good exercise.
Okay, the evening is almost finished.
Now it's time to talk about bedtime.
Bedtime routines are very important.
Yes, especially for good sleep.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth.
Always important.
Then I change into my pajamas.
Comfort again.
Yes. Then I usually read for a few minutes.
What do you read?
A book or sometimes an article.
Reading helps you relax.
Yes, and then I turn off the light and sleep.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10 o'clock.
Very early.
Because I wake up early.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I go to bed later,
How late?
around 11:30 or midnight.
That's quite late.
Yes, and in the morning I regret it.
It's a cycle,
A daily cycle.
which is perfect for today's topic.
Exactly.
Daily life is something everyone can talk about.
And it's one of the best topics for English learners.
Because you can practice every day.
You can talk about what you did today,
What you usually do.
what you like and don't like.
And you don't need difficult words.
Just clear, simple English.
Talking about your routine builds confidence.
And confidence helps you speak more naturally.
Before we finish, we have a question for our listeners.
Yes,
Are you a morning person?
or an evening person.
Tell us in the comments.
We love reading what you write.
And it's great practice for your English.
Thank you so much for listening to ESL Easy English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like.
And subscribe to the channel.
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
We really appreciate your support.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.